Alright, let's talk about something super important. Building an emergency fund. Whether you're just starting out or you've been adulting for a while, having an emergency fund is a total game changer. First things first, what exactly is an emergency fund? It's a stash of money set aside specifically for those unexpected expenses that life loves to throw our way. Think medical bills, car repairs, or sudden job loss. The goal here is to have enough saved up so you don't have to go into debt when these surprises pop up. So, how much should you save? Ideally, aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Yes, it sounds like a lot, but break it down into smaller goals. Start with $500, then $1,000, and keep building from there. Now, where to keep this fund? You want it somewhere easily accessible but not too tempting to dip into. A high-yield savings account is a solid choice. It earns more interest than your regular savings but still keeps your money within reach. Okay, how do you actually start saving? Begin by setting a budget and identifying areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's fewer takeouts or a pause on that streaming service you rarely use. Automate your savings if you can. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account each payday. Building an emergency fund takes time and discipline, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Future you will thank you for it. So start today, secure your future, and keep those financial stress levels down. You've got this. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on securing your financial future. See you in the next video.